Hey everyone, my name is Greg Gillespie, and I'm accompanied here with my colleague John Alexander, who has over 20 years of financial system experience. And we're going to be talking to you today about a course that we're going to be delivering for AFP called From Data to Reporting to Financial Insights with Power BI. John, I'm going to dive right in. I'm going to ask you, why is this course that we're delivering such a game changer for finance professionals?
Well, thanks, Greg. Happy to be here talking to you today. I think what makes this course and the Power BI and the suite of related tools such a game changer for people in finance is this is a set of tools that allows people to very quickly and easily create very polished looking reports for creating immersive dynamic presentations that really helps us tell a story with our data, which is something that is often lost if we're just looking at rows and columns of numbers on a financial statement.
Yeah, I would have to agree there. And a follow up to that question would be, John, is I know you obviously have a lot of years of experience. You've seen a lot of different tools come through. What do you feel is always the biggest struggle with those tools when finance professionals are building financial reports?
Well, that's a great question. One of the things that happens time and time again is I see in a lot of environments entire teams of people spending a very large amount of their time compiling and gathering information, trying to organize themselves and double checking to make sure that they're looking at the latest and greatest version of the data. And they struggle with trying to find a single version of the truth.
Got it.
And all of that time keeps them from really doing the value added things, which is analyzing the data and trying to come up with ways to run the business more effectively.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. And follow up to that question is how can Power BI help financial professionals with those problems, with those types of struggles?
Well, one of the tools that I'm really looking forward to exploring as we go through our workshops together is using Power Query to import the data into our data model, and how we can use that to automate a lot of the manual processes that I see people repeating month after month. And this will really help, A, make sure that we are doing things the same way every time, and B, free up that time to be able to spend it on more value added activities.
Yeah, I would have to agree with you on that point as well, John. I know we used the query editor a lot to automate a lot of Excel financial reports, and then bringing it to a data model, and at the end of the day, building a nice, robust, dynamic Power BI financial report. So I'm really looking forward to delivering the training with you, but I'm gonna let you have the last word and let me know why you're looking forward to this training.
Well, one of the things that gets me the most excited about any time we can get people together in a group setting like this is not only the opportunity for us to share our knowledge, but to learn from the people who are there and for them to learn from each other. It really helps people to know that there are other people going through similar struggles and maybe how they've solved some of the same problems. And we can learn best practices from one another and how we can all get better at what we do.